You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn, by the way, more confusing names, very confusing names that many get wrong from Throne of Glass, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. So it's pronounced Elide. In French we would say Elide. In English, Elide Lochan. How to pronounce Elide Lochan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.